Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make crunchy fruit. First, select your favorite fruits, ensuring they are firm and ripe. Apples, bananas, and berries work wonderfully. Next, wash them thoroughly and pat them completely dry. Uniformly slice your fruit into thin pieces, ideally about 1/8 inch thick, to ensure even drying and maximum crispness. This careful preparation is key to achieving that perfect crunch. To achieve that satisfying crunch, arrange your thinly sliced fruit in a single layer on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake them in an oven at a low temperature, around 200 degrees Fahrenheit, for several hours, flipping occasionally. Another excellent method is using a food dehydrator, setting it to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. This process typically takes 6 to 12 hours, depending on the fruit and its moisture content. Once your fruit is perfectly crunchy, it's crucial to let it cool completely on a wire rack. This step allows any residual moisture to evaporate, ensuring maximum crispness. Make sure the fruit is entirely cool and crisp before moving on. Store your delicious crunchy fruit in an airtight container at room temperature. When stored properly, it will maintain its delightful texture and flavor for up to 2 weeks, ready for snacking. Now for the best part, enjoying your homemade crunchy fruit. These make a fantastic healthy snack on their own, or you can sprinkle them over yogurt, oatmeal, or even salads for an added texture boost. Don't be afraid to experiment with various fruits and perhaps a dash of cinnamon or nutmeg before drying for unique flavor profiles. And speaking of lasting quality, check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. They're built to last, just like your new favorite snack.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.